Hello, Math Wizards. Today, we're going to study about the law of exponents. So, pag-aaralan natin yung step-by-step explanation kung paano natin mas madaling maintindihan yung law of exponents. So, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So, like, share, and comment if you have suggestions or may gusto kayong topic na gawa ng video. So, exponents. So, kung meron tayong 4 raised to 3, yung 4, ang tawag natin dyan ay yan yung base natin. Yung kulay green naman, yan yung exponent. So, binabasa yan as 4 raised to 3 or 4 raised to the power of 3. So, example, 64 is equal to 4 raised to 3. So, yung 4 raised to 3, it means that it is the exponential form ng number 64. So, bakit 4 raised to 3? So, yung 4 raised to 3, ibig sabihin yan is meron tayong 3 factors ng 4. Or, imo-multiply natin ng 4 ng kung ilang beses, nakadepende sa exponent natin. So, dito, yung 4, kailangan daw nating i-multiply sa kanyang sarili ng 3 times. So, 4 times 4 times 4, kaya equal to 64. Okay, next. Yung low exponent natin, yung exponential form, the exponent of a power, indicates how many times the base multiply itself. So, yan yung sabi ko kanina. Nakadepende sa power kung ilang beses natin i-multiply sa kanyang sarili ang isang number. So, example, yung 4 raised to 3 natin, that's 4 times 4 times 4. Okay, law of exponents. Yung zero exponent. Ano ibig sabihin nito? This says that anything raised to the zero power is 1. So, meaning daw, kahit anong number, kahit anong variable na i-raise natin sa zero, ang sagot ay 0 pa din. So, example, x raised to 0, the answer is 1. Example, 5 raised to 0. So, meaning, naka-raise siya sa 0, that's equal to 1. Y raised to 0, naka-raise sa 0, that meaning that's equal to 1. Next, ang negative exponent rule. Negative exponent in the numerator get moved to the denominator and become positive exponent. So, negative exponent in the denominator get moved to the numerator and become positive only. So, ang i-move lang natin ay ang negative exponent. So, para mas madaling maintindihan, ibig lang sabihin niya ay kapag ang final answer mo, negative yung exponent ng denominator, kailangan mo siyang i-move sa denominator para maging positive. So, kapag ang denominator mo naman ay negative, kailangan mo siyang i-move sa numerator para maging positive. Example, 5 raised to negative 2. So, negative yung numerator, kailangan natin siyang i-move sa denominator para maging positive. So, 5 raised to 2 is 1 over 5 raised to 2 equal to 1 over 25. So, yung final answer natin ay 1 over 25. Ba't naging 1 over 25? Kasi 5 times 5 equals to 25. Next example, 1 over x raised to negative 5. So, ang denominator ay negative. Kailangan natin siyang i-move sa taas para maging positive. So, ang sagot natin is x raised to 5. Okay. Ano naman yung power rule or powers raised to powers? So, para i-raise natin ang power to a power, ang gagawin lang natin, i-multiply lang natin yung exponent. So, halimbawa, x raised to m, open ng close parenthesis, raised to n, gagawin lang natin, ikakopy lang yung base, tapos imo-multiply natin yung exponent. So, m times n. Example, 2 raised to 2, open and close parenthesis, raised to 3. So, copy lang yung base, imo-multiply natin yung exponent. 2 times 3, that becomes 2 raised to 6. 2 raised to 6, meaning ay 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Imo-multiply natin ng 2 sa kanyang sarili ng 6 na beses. So, x raised to 3, open and close parenthesis, raised to 5. So, tulad lang ng rule natin, ang gagawin lang natin kapag ganito, copy the base, and then we need to multiply the exponent, or kapag may iba pang number, i-distribute natin yung exponent. So, x raised to 3 times 5, that becomes x raised to 15. O, ganito. X and y raised, open and close parenthesis, raised to 3. So, paano pag ganyan? So, sabi ko nga kanina, i-distribute mo lang yung power sa exponent ng mga number or variables na nasa loob. So, paano yung x and y? Wala namang nakasulat kung ano yung exponent niya. So, kapag walang nakasulat, it means ang exponent nila ay 1. So, 3 times 1, kaya x raised to 3. 3 times 1 naman sa power ng y, kaya y raised to 3. Next, ano naman yung product? So, yung product, ganito lang siya. If you are multiplying powers with the same base, keep lang yung base at i-add natin ang exponents. Meaning, kapag magkaparehas ang base ng dalawang variable na i-multiply natin, ang gagawin lang natin sa kanilang powers ay i-copy lang natin. Example, i-add lang natin. I-copy natin yung isa, i-add natin sa kabila. So, we just add the exponent for short. So, x raised to 2 times x raised to 3. Copy lang yung base natin ang i-copy natin, at i-add natin ang exponent. 2 plus 3. Kaya x raised to 5. Paano pag ganito? 2y raised to 3 times 4y raised to 2. So, kapag ganito, ang gagawin lang natin ay i-multiply lang natin yung dalawang number, 2 times 4. Tapos, ano yung variable dyan? Yung y. Yung magkaparehas ang base ay yung y raised to 3 at saka yung y raised to 2. Anong gagawin natin kapag magkaparehas ang base? Copy lang yung base, tapos i-add natin ang exponent. So, 2 times 4, that becomes 8. And then, copy lang yung base, which is y, and then add the exponent. Okay, more example. So, pwede nyong i-post yung video para masagutan nyo bago tingnan nyo kung ano yung correct answer. So, for this one, ang tamang sagot ay 14a raised to 7. Pares ba tayo ng sagot? So, for next one, pwede nyo ulit i-post ang video para makapag-solve kayo. And then, check nyo yung final answer. So, for this one, ang sagot ay, okay. Next, for this one naman. So, pag ganyan, we just distribute the 3. Kapag, di ba, naka-raise sa power raised to power, we just multiply the base. The exponent. So, 2, ano yung exponent ng 2? 1, kaya 1 times 3. Exponent ng m ay 2, kaya 2 times 3. Exponent ng n ay 5, kaya 5 times 3. So, 2 raised to 3, m raised to 6, and 15. So, kapag ang isang number naka-raise sa exponent, yung final answer natin dapat naka-simplify din siya. So, we need to multiply 2 sa kanyang sarili ng 3 times. So, ang magiging sagot natin ay 8 m raised to 6, and raised to 15. For this one, try nyo. Pwedeng i-post ang video, check nyo yung sagot. So, ang sagot, correct answer dito ay 27x raised to 3, y raised to 3. Next, quotient naman tayo. When dividing powers with the same base, keep the base and subtract the exponent. So, kapag nagdi-divide daw tayo na magkaparehas ang base, ang gagawin lang natin sa power ay ima-minus. Ang gagawin natin sa power ay we need to subtract. Example, x raised to 7 over x raised to 4. We copy the base at ma-minus natin ang exponent. 7 minus 4, ang sagot ay x raised to 3. Paano pag x raised to 5 over x raised to 7? Okay, so ang gagawin lang natin, we copy the base and then we add the exponent. So, x raised to 5 minus 7. over 1. Ang magiging sagot natin ay x raised to negative 2. Ayan na ba yung final answer natin? Hindi. Hindi pa yan ang final answer natin. Ano ang sabi natin sa negative exponent na rule? Kapag ang numerator natin, yung exponent niya negative, kailangan nating i-move sa denominator para maging positive. Kapag yung denominator naman ang negative ang exponent, kailangan nating i-move sa numerator para maging positive. For this one, x raised to negative 2 over 1, ang magiging final answer natin ay, ayan, 1 over x raised to 2. So, nauna yung another example. X over y raised to the power of 3. So, distribute lang natin yung power. Power raised to power yan. Ang power ng x ay 1, kaya 1 times 3 naging x raised to 3. Ang power ng y ay 1, kaya 3 times 1, y raised to 3. Simplify pa ba natin? Sabi natin, kailangan natin mag-subtract kapag mag-divide tayo. For this one, ayan na yung final answer natin. Bakit hindi na tayo mag-subtract? Kasi magkaiba sila ng base. Kapag magkaparehas lang ng base, saka lang tayo mag-subtract. Kapag magkaiba sila ng base, as is, ayan na yung final answer natin. More example. Pwede nyo i-post ang video, tapos tingnan nyo na lang yung magiging final answer. Correct answer. So for this one, ang final answer ay, ayan. Pangalawang example naman. Okay. So ang final answer natin ay ito. For this one, final answer natin ay this one. Okay. So, did you learn something? So, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, mag-comment, like, or share. Thank you for watching.